Hello friends, welcome to Coding Simplified, and today we'll see how to install the Java or JDK. So the current version of JDK is 8 or 1.8, so we will be downloading the 1.8 version. So for that, go to any browser and write the JDK download and search for that. So it will give you the link of that Oracle site of Java. So just go to this link, the first link, and that will open this link. Now here you will see the option which is download JDK. So Java platform JDK 8U 111 and 8U 222. So click on the download option. So once you click on the download option, then it will give you the different options as per your operating system. So first accept the license agreement. After accepting the agreement, then according to your operating system you can download the JDK. So like my operating system is 64 version, so I will download this exe. So just click on the exe and it will ask you the location of download, then click on save. Now JDK is downloaded, so go to the location. Here JDK is downloaded, so click on this and install the JDK. Now click on next, and again it will take some time to install the JDK. Now it is giving you the location that where you want to install. So if you don't want to change, then click on next. Now it says that JDK is successfully installed, so click on the close. Okay, now to verify that whether it has installed successfully or not, so go to the computer, go to the C directory, then go to the program files, and in program files you will find the folder Java. So click on Java and you will see two folders. One is for JDK 1.8 and second is for GRE 1.8. And if you click on this, then there should be a bin folder, right? And now this is installed, but we need to set the path of JDK, right? So that we'll do in the computer environment variables. So go to the computer, or just do one thing, just click or save this path. Now go to the computer, right click on my computer icon, then go to the properties, go to the advanced system settings, and go to the environment variables. Here create a path which is a Java home path. So we'll name it as Java home, and paste the path which we have copied till JDK 1.8 and click on OK. Now your Java home path is set, but we need to set this path in system variable path. So find the path and click on edit and go till the end, semicolon, and then put the percentage, then Java home which we have created the variable, then again percentage, and then slash bin. So that will read the all the systems or all the executable files of Java, right? Click on OK and click on OK, then OK. Then what you need to do, open the command prompt and give the command javac. And if javac gives these options like -z, it means your Java is successfully installed now and we have set the variables, and now you are ready to work on the Java executable files or Java programming, right? So that is how we have installed the JDK 1.8, and now we are ready to work on Java programming. So that's it for this tutorial, and thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe the channel for more tutorials.